Good day, my people. What's good, guys? So today we're gonna dive into the ORO AI airdrop. Okay, the ORO AI airdrop, and this airdrop is on the Near blockchain. If you notice, now ORO AI is a decentralized intelligence platform built on the Near blockchain. Now, it empowers users to securely share private data like social data, health, finance, etc. And this data helps to train advanced AI models using zero knowledge tech and trusted execution, blah blah blah. Now, in return, they earn ORO points, and these ORO points will be convertible to ORO tokens in the future. Okay. Now, their backers they raised $6 million in seed funding, and these are their backers: Defi Ventures, Near themselves, and A16Z Crypto. Yeah. Now, this is the timeline. It started May 14, 2025. Okay. Now, the campaign has been ongoing, and there's no end yet. So, this is a time to accumulate points. Okay. Now, talking details, they'll tell us that, but there's a rumor of $500,000 distribution, something like that. Okay. Now, the TG and snapshot has not been, decided yet. There was nothing about that, right? So this is how to get on with it. You sign up with a referral code and get bonus points. You connect your accounts, like connect apps, link accounts like Gmail, Twitter, Discord for points. Connect your fitness apps. If you have a fitness app like Fitbit, Garmin, you make sure you connect them so you can earn points with them. And then daily upkeep. Make sure those connections are there. Don't disconnect them. Okay, so each day you need them connected to the ORO dashboard. You earn a certain amount of points. Okay, so there are guilds and social quests. I'll show you how to do that later. You connect to Twitter, then you invite friends. You log in daily to collect points, stuff like that. So now paste my referral link in your browser, and as you can see, the link takes you to this page. Okay, so now you can choose to either sign up by like creating an account using your email and password, or you can just do it simply with Google. Okay, so wait for this to load, and then click on continue with Google. Right, so congratulations, you've just signed up for the ORO AI airdrop. Okay, so now this is where you choose your username. Unfortunately, you don't have the freedom to put in whatever you want. They just keep shuffling and bringing out weird ass names, and you just choose anyone. Okay, so I'm gonna whatever my spirit is, that's Stormy Quarry. I'll choose that and continue. You can choose any name. Okay, and the referral code will automatically put itself in there. You can continue. And you can see, you can just acquire your privacy, blah 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 blah. Click on land, and this is your dashboard. Okay, that's just a notification for a new mission. Alright, so as you can see, this is when you join, and this is your dashboard. So now what you have to do here is connect as many accounts as you have. If you have a Coinbase account, you connect it. If you have a Gmail account, you connect it. Let's do the Gmail so you see how it's been done. So click on the Gmail, and you can see click continue, blah blah blah, then complete the mission. Yes. Now here are the rewards for connecting: 600 points for connecting, then 25 points per day for leaving it connected. You hear? So they're actually getting data from your Gmail, but they have already promised based on their privacy policy that they're not going to let the data out. Okay. So now it's going to take you to this page, you do the thing, and congratulations, you've just connected your Gmail. Now do the same thing for both your X and your Discord. So connect as many as you can. Okay, if you have a closed account to connect, if you have a Fitbit, if you have ORO, Garmin, Coinbase, Amazon, just make sure you connect them, because the more you connect, you can see here your points will be growing, and each day you'll be gaining points from the ones you connected. Okay, as you can see here, this is the one-time bonus when you connect, and this is the points per day. Same with this one. Same with this one. Okay. Now there's a new task, the one that they told us about. Record real conversations for multilingual AI. Now let me tell you about it. Okay. So record to participate in this. Record a 5 to 10 minutes conversation with someone talking about everything, keep it casual and your native language. Now, when they say native language, I don't think it's about it may be English, it may be whatever language your language may be. Just make sure that it's a natural conversation, because the conversation is going to be used for AI training. Okay, so make sure it's a natural conversation. Don't make it scripted. Just be free and have a 5 to 10 minutes conversation with a friend. The first don't even have to know. Just make sure it's you don't say any confidential things in the audio. Okay, so as you can see, your points will be awarded after review. So someone in their own side of the whole thing will review your audio before your points will be awarded. Okay, so as you can see here, it's 5,000 points for each reviewer. Like if you're approved, 5,000 points. Okay, so that's is a very fast way to rack up your points. Right now, see guidelines. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. Use your phone or computer in a quiet room. Avoid background noise, inappropriate content. Don't talk trash. Don't talk trash, and don't include personal data. That I said, don't include confidential stuff. Okay. Now, as you can see, your data is anonymized and encrypted. This is just for AI training. AI model training. Okay. So that's, if you want to continue, click on continue, but where I am is quite noisy at the moment, so I don't think you can push through, and I don't have anyone to discuss with, so I will just skip. So now endeavor to follow them on their Discord, so that you can grind and rack up points there. The higher you get in Discord, you have more chances to benefit more from this airdrop. Okay, so now here is the leaderboard tab. As you can see, so 10% will receive a bonus reward after the end of season 1. I don't know when that would be, the end of season 1. Okay, but you can wait. Let's saw something. You can see here. This is season 1, 2, and 3. Now, this is the leaderboard, and the number 1 person has 30,600 and something points. The second person has 30,000 points. So we're kind of late since this started in May, but we're not too late. Okay, it's better late than never. So just make sure you connect as much as you can connect. This is your history, your earning history. Okay, now this is your total points, and you can see how each point was earned. This was earned from connection, same as this one, same as this one, and that's just what this tab is for. So endeavor to connect as much as you can, and join them on their Discord channel. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Join their X to get more information, and yeah, whenever there's any updates on this airdrop, I will let you guys know. I'll put a video here. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on that video. Okay, and also I'll be dropping other videos on different airdrops, so if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on that. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.